తెలుసా వాళ్ళు ఎవరన్నా 3, 5, 9, 11. These are odd numbers. Next odd number, what comes 11 after 11? 15. 15. This is the answer, your answer. Next, liger. To write this code, GIRLE. Of course, GI. Third one, second, third, fourth, fifth position. Letters GI. Second, third, first.
Mummy,
Second, third, first.
sixth,
Fifth one, third number comes. Fifth one. Next, first one. First. Next, fourth. These coding, according to this coding, to logic, same logic apply here. What will come? Options is also there, but you try to first of all answer, getting the answer. P, E. Next, fifth one L. First one T. Remaining A. PELTA. Where is the PELTA? Third option is the correct answer. This is, please, these two you understand very very easy, and if you don't too much thinking, these two very very easy problems. Please comment, and any doubts you post them in my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name also mention here. 2742. Yes, of course. Rajeshwari Uputuri 2742.